How to create Instagram live rooms. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Instagram rooms allows you to go live with up to 3 guests, which is total of 4 people on live of Instagram. This is an extension to original Instagram live feature where you could only add or invite one guest. It is not a private call like Zoom, but a live broadcast where your followers, your guests and followers can join and watch the conversation. So, in order to create an Instagram live room, go to your story and then go to the live section. Tap on the button to start the live. Before that, you can give a title to your live video as well as schedule it for later on. Once you have gone live, tap on this two people icon which is on the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will get to another page from where you can invite different people from your followers in order to join. Once you add them, you can also invite up people to join your live room by selecting from the viewers list. This feature is great for cross platform as each guest followers will be notified about the live stream, helping you grow your account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.